Okay guys, so we're all done getting ready. We about to head out to get some breakfast, and then we're gonna do some water activities and go to the pier. Yes, I do got makeup on, even though I might get wet. But that's why I brought makeup wipes and my fanny pack and stuff. And yeah, so we're finna go get breakfast and stuff right now. I say hey.
Hey, vlog. Day 3.
Day 3, beach day. Ooh, I don't even think I showed y'all the car we rented yesterday. We got an orange Lamborghini and it looks really nice. I love it. Here's JJ. Jam need to come out so I can show y'all his cute little outfit.
You're not gonna say hey.
What are you doing to turn it on and off?
But yeah, y'all, we just finna go eat breakfast.
It was a lot that said parking, and that was it. They could have stole that car.
That's why I just about to say. Thank God he didn't steal the car.
It was a parking garage. It was a parking lot, but it wasn't like. They feel good right here. I can take this.
Yeah, it's just that it be that damn wind.
Yeah, you're right. Y'all, what if I say this? I'm hungry again.
That's fine. I'm always down to eat.
You heard me in the car say somebody got me going, I need something to snack on. But I'm gonna wait till we go to Grand Central. Because I really want to try all those different.
Is it close by here?
No to try.
So is the jet skiing over here?
The jet ski is in this town, but I don't see it over here. But it's there. It's in Marina D, whatever this place is. It's
Marina Del Rey.
Yeah.
I would say let Jam and Drip go jet skiing
First.
Yeah, and we don't even have to go parasailing.
I think that's what I said. I think if he get over that jet skiing,
Yeah.
he want to cross there about parasailing.
Yeah, I say just let them jet ski.
Can you?
But I'm thinking about time.
Oh yeah.
Because I really do want to go to the pier in the Grand Central.
Oh no, it is at Westside Water Sports is where the jet skis would be. So it's in this little plaza thing.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
What does it say? I'm gonna see if I only thing I can do is click walk.
What a music like that?
It says 0.5.
No, the jet ski.
So carousel and jet ski.
It's a 10-minute walk. That's cool, ain't it?
Yeah.
So we'll go back to the car and wait on them.
And then walk.
We'll walk to the jet skiing place.
And then when they get done jet skiing, we can go to Grand Central.
Great idea. Cause we just
Yeah.
oh yeah, but that what is that, a water bus?
Yeah.
Now, I might like that.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah. We can do that while they jet skiing.
Yeah. Just figure out where it's at.
Yeah, what's the, can we see the name of it so I can put it in the Google search?
Yeah.
Water bus.
Marina Del Rey water bus. Okay guys, so yeah, we're in Marina Del Rey, California at the Fisherman Village. It's really cute. We're trying to see if we can get on this water bus. We was gonna go parasailing, but no. So yeah. And then my brother-in-law are gonna go jet skiing.
And we're not.
Yeah. And then we're gonna head to Grand Central. What's it called? Market. And hopefully the Santa Monica Pier.
Yes.
So
we're gonna make it.
Yeah.
We're going. Okay, so we have to go to the iconic location.
right.
What happened? Oh, nothing. We just waited.
Hey guys.
What's up?
Keep it behind Pam. But yeah, we'll see y'all later. So y'all, we about to ride a boat. And then later, the boys and Deja are going jet skiing. Okay. Oh, and Keeks. You can get behind Deja.
No, I think they said you get behind someone.
Yep.
Oh.
I don't think I can be an operator. Yeah, well, I think I could.
So yeah. Look at the water, you guys.
Laughed our asses off. Okay, I know I'd be terrified.
We on the boat, y'all.
I wonder how deep the water is.
Deep as hell,
Very
bro.
deep. There you go. It's hell. I'll go all the way down.
We headed to the Santa Monica Pier, y'all. And I don't know what else we're doing after that, but yeah, we're headed to the pier. Yeah, maybe Grand Central Market, but we're headed to the pier now.
Then you get some brain in the front seat of the Hummer. Then you get some brain in the front seat of the Hummer. She's a very freaky girl. Get it from her mama.
Alright.
She get a brain.
Then you get a number.
Then you get some rain in the front seat of the Hummer.
Then you get some brain in the front seat of the Hummer.
You want a freaky girl? So after we left the pier, we went to drop off the slingshot and then get something to eat. But we couldn't find nowhere to eat. It was crazy. So we're back at the hotel and we like ordering pizza. So yeah, we about to go to bed after we eat, and that's it for today. We're going home tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so it's the 4th day. We all up getting ready to head to the airport. We just like getting ready and making sure we got everything and all that. Just making sure we packed up everything. So I'm already ready. I'm just waiting on my sister. And yeah, we're gonna head to the airport to go home. It's what time? Oh, it's 8 a.m. So we gotta leave the hotel at 9:15. So we're doing good on time.
Who got a soda left in the fridge?
Thanks.
You want it? Yeah. Okay. Well, I don't want it.
Packing it up, loading up. Getting ready to head to the airport.
Yeah.
I'm so zoomed in. Oh.
Was y'all food through Uber Eats good?
Oh my god.
I guess so.
I really don't know because it was so high. Oh
Man.
yeah. I ordered donuts and I had them delivered to the door.
Huh?
You need somebody here?
Nope. I just had to get my camera out. So we landed, guys. We're back in New Orleans. About to head home to Mobile. Just loading up the car. Oh yeah, Mom, we gotta stop and get something to eat. Alright, headed home now. Hey guys, so so we made it back home. We're back in Alabama. Now we're about to unpack. It's my suitcase. So yeah, we finna unpack and then just chill. It's fine. So yeah, we just finna unpack. I'm gonna unpack everything tonight because tomorrow I just want to give my dad a Father's Day gift and then just chill. I won't have to do nothing else because I gotta go back to work on Tuesday. So yes, if this vlog ever gets posted, this is the end of it. So hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all had a good time watching. We had a good time. Trying to think of everything I need to say. Like, subscribe if you want to. You don't have to. You're never forced to do anything you don't want to do. I didn't even think you like knew it. But so yeah, okay, that's the end of this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.